Dirt Everyday Extras go live every weekday on Motor Trend On Demand. Here's an example of an episode you missed last week.
This week on Dirt Everyday Extra, we are going to swap axles under a monster truck with just a little tiny hammer, a little tiny pry bar, and some pliers. This monster truck, this is Bigfoot. You guys remember Bigfoot, the monster truck? So when I was a little kid, I had this Tonka truck and I wanted a Bigfoot, and my dad helped me paint it. He built this roll bar out of rebar, and it's all stick welded, and I tied a piece of string to the front and drug it all over the place around behind me. Over the years, we've had a few issues. The axles have fallen apart, and it's time for some upgrades. So I got a package in the mail the other day from Eric Bayer. Thanks for taking the time to get a picture with you and Totally Rad Dave at the SEMA show this year. I've enclosed a small present to help you get your little kid dream truck back on the road. So what he sent me was 4 brand new wheels, 2 new axles, and an Ultimate Adventure sticker for the windshield of my little Tonka truck, Tonka Bigfoot. So the first thing we got to do is figure out how to get the old axles off. Now I looked at the axles that he sent, which are in this bag, with a brand new set of Tonka MR970s. And you'll notice how the end of the axle shaft, one end has a fixed flange and the other end does not. Well, in this bag are the new clip-on flanges. So that tells me that these old axles have the same thing. So right there is a little clip-on flange. So not having ever done this before, I'm going to see if these will just pop right off, or if I'm going to break more things. Jeez, that is not working. Maybe the pliers? There it goes. I'm gonna be kind of careful to not break the wheels that are on there, but they're already kind of broken, so I'm gonna be out of luck. There it goes. That part comes off. Let's grab some spray. Spray that one too. Now if we grab the axle, come on. Oh yeah, these are all broken. There's probably a really graceful way to do this, and the Tonka Truck Restoration Academy is probably freaking out that I'm smashing this old truck with a hammer, but these will just pry off. It's almost off. Okay, that part is off. Ba-bam! Looks like the suspension's a little crooked. Check out all the rust under there from four-wheeling at the beach. All right, now we have to duplicate the front and figure out how that's done. I'm not really sure how you get these little caps off without breaking the plastic wheels. And maybe that's just the way it is. Maybe they don't come off without breaking the wheels. Or maybe it's from years of use and abuse. Spray this in here. This wheel is also broken on the inside already. So probably doing it wrong. Definitely not right. Well, that axle's bent. Somebody was fully getting it when he was driving that last. Okay, put this right here. And then grab this little cap. I think I can pop the cap off like this. There we go. Look at that. Monster truck. Now take all the broken parts, get them out of the way. This is where we want to be careful because we don't want to break all the brand new parts. There's some serious surgery here. Okay. Set it that way so you guys can see what we're doing. Now, white wall's out because you notice how the wheel is offset inwards here and then has like a little plastic retainer there. So how do these go on without damaging everything? Maybe they just tap on? I think if we put something down below the axle, oh, there we go. That will sit on the table. Oh, I got it. I got a plan here. We need a little tiny socket. We'll take this socket. This is an 8mm. And we'll slit this little cap right on there. And then we will set this on here. And then, well, bam! Team Bigfoot will be calling us any day now to come work on their team. Front axle in, front tire, front cap. I wonder if these are wider. No, they're about the same. Ah, beautiful. Oh, all right, one last step. Clean that windshield. What do we have over here in the windshield cleaning department? Oh, here we go. Gunk glass cleaner. Man, this thing looks good when you shine it up. Somewhere in here, there should be a windshield banner. All right, how does this go on without me messing it up? Oh, look. Oh, crooked. Come on. Check it out. Eric Bayer. Monster truck fixed. Looks way better. Thanks, Eric, for sending us parts to fix our little truck. Maybe we'll stack the spares in the bed. Pre-runner style. That's it for Dirt Every Day Extra. We'll see you guys next time.
If you need more Dirt Every Day Extra, go sign up right now.